With regard to vaccine, it's a wonderful step and wonderful initiative taken that people who are above 18 years of age, they'll be allowed to vaccinate. So they should come forward. They should not pay heed to any kind of rumors. Like whatever solution is in our hand, a vaccine is one of the most important steps among those. So people should come forward and like take these rumors and all, keep them on side. जो भी like confusions हैं या कुछ भी चीज़ें हैं, if we measure the pros and cons, the merits and demerits, vaccine still has a biggest advantage among all the public health measures that we have in hand. Any vaccine that has been created in the history of mankind, vaccine का मकसद यही होता है कि severity of infection जो है और the number of infections जितने भी possible हो सके कम हो जाएं, ठीक है? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि if people get vaccinated they will not land up in disease. They will land up in disease today or tomorrow. But what will happen? The severity of infection or the complications happening due to a particular disease, as for example COVID here, that will be very minimal. So that's one of the blessings we have out of this vaccine. The situation is quite delicately balanced. We are under control. The situation is under control. But pandemics का ऐसा एक behavior होता है कि they can accelerate, they can change their behaviors anytime. And it depends, it's basically a dynamic situation. It depends on a number of factors. And one among them, the most important, is how we behave. As responsible citizens, how do we behave in dealing with this pandemic? How do we break up this transmission of infection? So it will all depend on that कि हम कितने जो कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर्स हैं फॉलो करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं और कितने लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं. तो इसमें द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ लाइक एवरीबडी नोज़ अबाउट कि मास्क पहनने की ज़रूरत है, लेकिन आपने भी काफ़ी टाइम से ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि किस तरीके से लोग मास्क पहनते हैं. कुछ लोग नाक के नीचे पहन लेते हैं, कुछ लोग अपनी चिन पे पहन लेते हैं. सो दैट्स नॉट द अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर ऑफ वेयरिंग ए मास्क. सेकेंड, अगर इंसान मास्क पहनता है तो बिल्कुल ये दिस एरिया शुड बी कवर्ड, लाइक एन एयर सील शुड बी क्रिएटेड. सो लाइक नोज शुड बी कवर्ड एंड माउथ शुड ऑब्वियसली बी कवर्ड. तो इसके बाद मैं बात करूँगा कि द फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग नॉर्म दैट हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन लाइक स्ट्रेस्ड अपॉन, दैट अगेन नीड्स टू बी फॉलोड. तो it will remain hopefully balanced if we as responsible people take up the responsibility of preventing the transmission of infection. It's evident कि काफ़ी टाइम से there has been an increasing trend. It's been all over the place, all over the nation, and similarly यहाँ भी हो रहा है, but उतना ज़्यादा alarming भी नहीं लग रहा है. But if it continues like that, it's a serious concern. And हमें क्या करने की ज़रूरत है? Like the trend will go on fluctuating. It will increase, it will decrease. But the point is, what is the solution? The solution is the same thing that has been reiterated since day zero. So वो ख्याल रखने की ज़रूरत है. It has been a slight change जो बता रहे हैं कि like with respect to the strains in whichever part of the country or in whichever part of the globe. So there have been more predominantly strains like symptoms related to headache is there, eye ache is there, nasal congestion ज़्यादा हो रही है. तो ये थोड़ा बहुत शिफ्ट हो चुका है. बट मोर और लेस जो रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन के सिम्टम्स होते हैं, देयर आर मोर लाइक दैट. प्लस देयर इज़ बॉडी एक्स, उसकी तरफ ज़्यादा प्रेडिलेक्शन हो रहा है. तो वो है. और उसके अलावा लाइक अगर कोई भी स्ट्रेन हो, लाइक इट्स अ इन्फेक्टिव स्ट्रेन और हाईली इन्फेक्टिव स्ट्रेन, इट्स अ वेरिएंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, इट्स अ वेरिएंट ऑफ कंसर्न, अल्टीमेटली द सॉल्यूशन इन हैंड इज ultimately again same. Time and again we have reiterated the same thing. अभी जैसे मैंने बताया कि it's about the masks that we have to wear plus the physical distancing and hand washing. तो जहाँ पे भी जितना भी हमसे हो सके we should follow these SOPs as far as possible. And plus there are some lifestyle modifications that we need to follow. That there are some general things like healthy eating patterns, taking into consideration our hydration, पानी ठीक से पी लेना चाहिए. And we should maintain that adequate hydration even in patients who are mild to moderately ill because of COVID. तो इसके अलावा कुछ चीज़ें अवॉइड करने की ज़रूरत है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर आर सम not good habits like those, for example smoking is there. These habits need to be quit, and especially for those people जिनके अपने relatives हैं या family members हैं who are suffering from COVID at home, like with mild disease and all. So such family members who have been involved in smoking, they should avoid such such kind of behaviors so that it doesn't precipitate such kind of like a severity in those particular patients.